What is going on, guys? My name is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. This is my 2001 NB2 Miata. It's been a minute since this car's been on the channel. I've kind of been working on it in the background a little bit. It needs a lot of work. So, this is the eBay lip that I got for it. It was less than $100. I think it was like 80 bucks or something. But I sanded it down. I took some 860 grit, I think it was, 800 and something grit. Hit it with that. Came back with 1,000 to smooth all the little marks out, and then I clear coated it. So this is the original black on it, so it's slightly different than the paint on the car. However, now that they're both glossy, they actually match really, really well, and the lip looks amazing now that it's glossed. As you can see, if you're frequent of my channel, or somewhat frequent, or if you know my Instagram, this car used to be pink, and any of the last content I've made with this car, it was pink. My Golf is still pink, and I'm still leaving it pink. So don't worry there. I really like the pink on that. But my one genuine complaint about TinyBot is that I ordered the same exact wrap for this car that I had on the Golf, and it was not the same color. I ordered, it was the same exact wrap, gloss peach pink, and it was not the same pink. Even though it's the same wrap, the Golf is darker, and this didn't come with the clear protective film on it either. So I don't know if they used a different pigment, if they used a different manufacturer or what. That is my one genuine complaint, but that's the long gist of it. The whole point of wrapping the Miata in the first place was because of how horrible the rear bumper is. Now you can see, if you look at it, there's a whole bunch of little damage spots here. It was cracked all along here, pretty much from edge to edge. See, there's another dent right here. You can see where it shattered kind of, so it hit something here. And so the whole point of wrapping it was to cover all of this. I knew this beforehand. I knew this, you know, getting into this, that wrap isn't a permanent solution. It'll cover your issue, but the issue will probably come off with the wrap. And I knew that, but I didn't think it would be this bad. The entire paint coat on the rear bumper came off with the wrap. The entire sheet of paint came off. It didn't come off in flakes. It came off as one sheet of paint. So I don't know if the rear bumper was repainted. It looks like it was, because it's black, but it's also got primer. And I don't know if that's factory or not, but I feel like it was repainted. All these birds out here are going crazy. I don't know if I was just riding the clutch too much yesterday because I hadn't driven the car in a while, but yesterday on the way to work, my clutch was smoking, and like enough that you could see it when I was at a stoplight or whatever. I could see it out of the wheel well over there. So again, I don't know if I was just riding the clutch too much because it's been a minute, or if literally overnight something went wrong with it. So I drove it home yesterday, and I was making sure, I was like, okay, make sure your foot's not accidentally hitting the clutch pedal. Make sure, you know, you're fully disengaging when you're switching gears, like all that, right? And it only like made that smell one other time, so it'll be a little bit of a test. Obviously on hills you got to ride the clutch a little bit, but any other time you're driving it should be fine. So we'll see if it starts being stinky today. Like it smelled bad, bro. It smelled like if I was just riding the brakes for like a mile. Like that really bad welding smell. So like obviously it was clutch slipping, but I don't know why, and it still engages gears like that. So I don't know why it would be slipping because it doesn't act like it. See, like it's flowing through the gears just fine, and I don't smell it right now. So I don't know if it's at interstate speeds that maybe are doing it, or if I'm not doing whatever it was that I was doing before, but it's driving fine. We'll go through the main entrance even though it's probably too full, but just in case. We might get lucky. There's probably a little Miata meat on the edge. There usually is. Is nice. That color was sick. What up?
What's up, man? He's got OEMs there. Yeah. That Cerakote place is still. I think there. Give him Cerakote. He's got a roll bar.
Is this you? It's clean, man. I figured there's usually a little Miata meet somewhere, and I was like, I'll just drive through and find a friend somewhere. No one?
No, so like every time I've come, like they never meet up. Like they're just scattered all over the parking lot.
Yeah, it's like the one time I didn't have it, I had my Golf. It was like right there, and they were.
They had it.
Yeah, it was like all over there. I was like, shit, okay. So then I brought it today, and there's like nobody.
There's another Miata back there too. I see it a little bit.
Oh, I guess a little red one, yeah. Huh?
There's an MB over there too. So we're all
Is there?
pretty
Oh,
close to
shit.
each other. Yeah.
That one might be at my apartment also.
Yeah?
Is it like a dark green?
It's a British racing green. Yeah.
It might be the one from my apartment. I don't know when they moved in, but it's clean. It's safe.
So it's cracked this up now because I actually sometimes even a stock height, bro, we're fucking low. I'd be fucking I'd be fucking scraping.
Well, and it's
bro.
like this looks all right, but then once you're under the car, it's like everything is actually hanging fucking low.
Yeah. I love the seats. I got to do aftermarket seats.
Thank you, man.
Did you do lowering rails?
So this process was an absolute nightmare. So, and you're also tall, so you probably relate. It was a nightmare.
Don't mind if I sit.
No, go for it, man. So the passenger side has the lowering mount on it. I don't even remember which brand it was. And so I tried to put it on here. Everything that I found online.
That's the one who drives the other red Miata right over there.
Oh, okay.
The one in the hat. I like the seats. Yeah, that's the issue. Is
Well, and again, like
being tall.
the base of the seat is 17.5 inches, which is supposedly supposed to fit according to the forums. So I buy the seat and I buy the extreme low mount so I can sit like on the floor.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
No, but by the time it was in, the headrest of the seat was like here. So I ended up being way further forward than the OEM seat.
Oh hell no!
So,
I need it all the way back.
Exactly. Like,
So do you have
as
to make
far as
your
it'll
own
go.
bracket?
So I did more searching and I found it's called PCI. And so it's actually like a slider function too. If you look under the seat, it actually acts like a slider too.
Okay.
And it expands side, so it'll fit multiple widths of seats.
That's cool. Yeah, because I can see here you have play for the bolt.
Yeah, so you just mount the
you
base first, and then you can mount
this.
these to the side of the seat,
Right.
and then you put the
Adjust
seat.
it. That's
yeah.
cool. So the base came with the seat and it fit perfectly. It was just the lowering rail that didn't fit.
Yeah, exactly. So I ended up just using the entire PCI kit just because I wanted to just keep it
Yeah.
universal. And then I threw the extreme low on that one. I still need to adjust it a little bit for the passenger side, but yeah, that's pretty much where the seat was sitting.
Oh,
which is further forward than,
Yeah, no.
like, look at all that wasted space back there. Like,
For
what's the
us
point?
tall people, nah, no,
Yeah.
we need all the engines to get, bro, because I still lean sideways. And
Exactly. We can go look at your car if you want.
yeah, if you want
to. Just grab it.
yeah, and then,
Like the steel stuff.
yeah, also yours is that top.
Yeah.
Mine comes with the glass back. The ones, the base models came with.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the base ones came with the plastic back. Plastic windows.
Oh, shit.
But I'm thinking of changing it to a plastic window with the zipper.
Yeah.
I've been loving people, so I don't always have to take the top down.
I've only ever...
But the reason I don't take the top down right now, you'll see, is the top is just falling apart. Literally from the heat.
I also, like, I hate the convertible.
Uh-huh.
It leaks and it rattles
Hit that fucking
and...
Mustang.
Who
That
did?
gray car hit that Mustang hard.
Really?
Yeah. Y'all know who that is?
Bro.
That sucks. What a dumbass. Fucking
Like, you see all these people here at this meet. How are you not going to pay attention?
no, bright blue car.
I have to replace this to get the hood. It's already sounded in the steel again, bro.
How long before we get this spot busted?
A couple minutes. About 20 minutes. I gotta do
Supposed
my
to be a
valve still
permission
again,
spot.
but I love this. I love this thing. The motor-wise, I've got to do a bunch. I'm doing engine bay cleanup this year.
Yeah. Wait,
towards
so
the
you
end of
did
this
you
year.
have to do another valve seal?
Valve cut. So that's why it's leaking slowly. That's what this is.
Yeah. Just slowly leaking oil.
Yeah, I did it last year, but I have a feeling I got to do it again since I wrecked.
Oh, do you think maybe it shook something loose?
Bro,
Damn.
So that's why it just doesn't fit perfect right here to here.
Yeah.
Like this side lines up perfect, except for this is where I got hit the other day.
It kind of
by
just
my
like
work
flexed
truck.
up a little bit.
By that work truck, dented the shit out of me,
no.
scraped all the way down to through the paint. Yeah, my lip, this is my lip. It's been through hell and back, dragged a lot, but it's in a couple pieces, and then
It probably helps that it's OEM,
kit.
so it holds up better.
See, subboard kit, mud flap, side
I'm so
skirt,
fucking
front skirt.
jealous, dude.
This is the only part I have to fix. This was back in my wreck in October. I kind of just half-assed it. I'm gonna take it off though in about a day or two and JB weld it.
We'll go ahead and turn these fogs off. And then I'm gonna also raise this because it's sprinkling. You can see the crease here from my seat being just a little too big. Basically over, but we're gonna go in and take a look at what kind of merch they still have left. Walk around now that there's less people and see if I need anything. So I want to start playing around with like paint correction and stuff. I have no idea what I need at all. I could definitely ask, but there's also a part of me that doesn't want to look like I don't know what I'm doing. But I want to learn about it. Instead of just wrapping all my bad paint, I want to learn how to fix it. Ooh, there we go.
A few minutes later.
Got a Liberty Walk Lamborghini, and a Supra. So I got me a synthetic clay bar because mine is pretty much toast at this point. I've had it forever. But let's go ahead and hop in the hoopty, and we're gonna go get some caffeine because your boy is very tired. Should have pulled the steering wheel off first. That was cool. Met a bunch of Miata people. I gotta grow my circle of Miata enthusiasts because I'm gonna need help with buying parts off of people and how to fix certain stuff because I'm new to this platform. I'm also new to having a car that doesn't always work because the Volkswagen's been really good to me. But yeah, we're gonna go to the gas station, get something to drink. But that pretty much concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, the usual. And I will see you in the next video. Drink water and be safe.